This is the Vermeer HG4000 horizontal grinder, the first of the next generation grinders designed with technology to maximize productivity and give operators ultimate control. Sometimes your waste can become too much to handle. When that happens, you need a grinder that can meet and exceed your expectations. The HG4000 is built for aggressive performance and high capacity in a compact footprint. This machine is loaded with industry-leading features that make it a dependable, efficient, and durable mid-sized grinder. Let's talk through some of these features that contribute to its performance. First, the HG4000 is powered by a 536 horsepower CAT C13B engine. This provides the horsepower needed for processing difficult materials and is backed by worldwide service and support to help maximize productivity. This power extends to the feeding too. The HG4000 has a feed opening of 60 inches by 35.5 inches and more robust infeed sidewalls that are double the strength of its predecessor. This durable design means you can feed whole trees and other large material with less restriction. The feed roller is equipped with more aggressive teeth coupled with down pressure that provides pull-in power and maintains control of the material being fed to help get the job done efficiently. You can also maximize the feedability of the HG4000 with its low sidewalls, providing optimal flow of material and minimizing operator interaction. As you feed the grinder, it can do most of the work with its intelligent feed system. This system self-monitors the machine's engine speed, makes predictive adjustments, and holds the engine at an optimal level. This allows you to spend more time feeding and less time adjusting settings, which maximizes your productivity and fuel efficiency. The HG4000 features the Series 3 duplex drum. This third generation Vermeer drum is made up of 18 bolt-on tips and 9 replaceable hammers with a 31.3 inch tip diameter and 60.9 inch cutting width. The tips and hammers can be removed and replaced for convenient maintenance. When it comes to on-the-job maintenance, the HG4000 was designed for convenient access. Here are a few highlights that contribute to a maintenance-friendly design. First, there's large access shields that open to reveal key components. Then, there are ladders around the machine for when you need to get up close. You can also access the mill at the top or the front. To get to the engine, we created a drop-down platform you can stand on. Lastly, the drive belt tensioning provides you with minimal maintenance. You can also maximize your productivity as you operate the HG4000 with these next two features. A technologically advanced, full-function wireless remote control lets you adjust machine settings as conditions change from the cab. You can control your infeed settings, engine droop, conveyor height, and more. Then, there's a 7-inch onboard color touchscreen display. This shows your machine data and allows you to intuitively set up the machine for maximum efficiency. The HG4000 is also equipped to minimize metal contaminants. Machine damage caused by metal contaminants entering the hammer mill can be costly. The Vermeer Damage Defense System helps protect your machine, detect certain metal contaminants, which reduces the likelihood of metal being processed by the hammer mill. Combined with a crossband magnet that minimizes metal from ground material, you can maximize the value of your end product. The HG4000 is equipped with innovative technology and aggressive performance in a next-generation package. For more information about this machine, reach out to your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com.